Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important interview question nowadays. So the interviewer may ask you write a higher order function, that means your custom higher order function. So what is a higher order function? A higher order function is a function that either takes another function as an argument or returns a function as its result. So whenever you receive this question, so just start typing this. Okay, I will do it. So where array is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So for instance, the interview may ask you write your own custom filter. So what you gonna do is, first of all, you just simply write the original filter function which is provided to you. So what I will do is, I will have a filter array and I will say array dot filter, and I know what filter does is it takes an argument, then there will be a condition. For me, I need a array of even number out of this array. So for what I will do is, I will check this condition. This will be true when the value is even. So this filter array should return me the even array. So let's print it, filter array. So let's check what is going. You see, this is the array of even element of all the elements. Now filter is a function, so we are using filter with array. So then what you have to do is, you write extension of array, then say okay, now I will write my own custom filter function. Correct? Now my custom filter will having a name myFilter. If you see this function carefully, this filter function is taking closer as a argument. Correct? So this filter function is taking closer as a argument. Name it as closer. And if you see the closer carefully, it is taking one value. The value is the element of array and it is returning you a boolean. So the closer will be here, what we are writing element, and what it will return, it will return a boolean. As you know, the overall filter array will return you a array of element. So the overall return of this function will be array of elements. Correct? So this is the definition of myFilter function. So now we have to fill what's inside. So first of all, take what we need to return. So we need to return array of elements. Correct? That is our return type here. Now filter, what filter does is, for each element it will check a specific condition. If the condition is passes through, we are appending that element in the result array. So for value in self, why self? Because it is an extension of array. So for value in self, if closer is a function, I'm calling a function with the value, and it will return me true or false. If my condition satisfy, I will append that particular value into my array. Correct? So what is the condition here? Condition is same, we will when we will use it. Okay, so I am appending it, and in final what I am gonna do is I am returning my result array. So if you see, I have my custom filter function done. So if you want to test, replace your filter with my filter. Okay, again the output is even number of even element in the array, correct? So my filter higher order function is done. So now we are gonna do, there is another requirement. So we know there is a map higher order function. So what map a higher order function do? It will map your array to either within the same type. So let's have a mapped array of square of current array. So I have a mapped array. What that will do is, it will do take elements and transform them into, okay, I have a value. So if I multiply value into value, so it will become a square. Let's print it, the mapped array here, print mapped array. So if we are printing the map array, it's an array of square. Let's do one more thing. So make it string, because map array can also change the type of array. So now we have an array of square of original element, but the type is string, correct? So now see this. From here I will write my own custom map. So how I gonna do? So as you know, in the map array the type can be changed. So we have to make it generic, because type is not same, correct? So type can change. So again the map array is taking a closure, I'm naming it as closure, and what it is taking, it is taking a element, and it is providing you the different element. So for this instance it will providing me a like string. So I am taking here t again. So what is the actual output of the mapped array is array of string. So that means array of that type. So this is the definition of myMap. Now I will write what's inside. So again, so always write what you have to return. So I will return results of type t and for value in, again, self. So here we don't have any condition, we are putting element in the array, closure, and we are getting back an element. So here only result dot append. What we are appending is, we are appending sending a value to closure, and whatever we are getting in return we are appending it. So after that we are just returning results. So this is my custom map function. If you really want to test it, just replace map with myMap. Now if you click here, correct? So now check both. Yes. So here myMap is returning me the same result which map used to do, and myFilter is also returning me the same result with like filter used to do. So these are my two custom filter functions. Have a look at that. So what is a higher order function? A higher order function which takes function as an argument, or sometimes it's also return function as a result, correct? So we are done with this topic. Thanks for your time.